Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. April 18, 2019 was the election day in both Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. As my wife and I belong to different constituencies, we decided to vote on our respective constituencies. My wife stayed back in Bangalore, whereas I started my solo drive all the way to Tamil Nadu to cast my vote. Here the journey begins. Looks like everyone here had the same idea. Hey! After hopping past multiple closed restaurants, I stopped at Saravana Bhavan for the much needed breakfast. This stretch is pretty steep and it's a nightmare for truck drivers and other motorists. Route from Bangalore to Madurai is pretty much straight except for this one junction. If you miss and go straight, you will end up in Chennai. After a fairly smooth and uneventful drive, I'm finally at the destination. After voting in Bangalore the same day, my wife joined me the next day to take this beautiful picture.